Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this angle BAC is 22.5 degrees, and moreover this side BC length is 1 unit. And now our task is to calculate the value of tangent of 22.5 degrees. We are going to calculate the value of cotangent of 22.5 degrees as well. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC. And since we are interested in calculating the value of tangent of 22.5 degrees, and likewise we are going to calculate the value of cotangent of 22.5 degrees as well. And now let's recall these trigonometric ratios, tangent of theta and cotangent of theta. And we know tangent of theta is equal to opposite side divided by the adjacent side, whereas the cotangent of theta is adjacent divided by the opposite. And here we can see this BC is the opposite side for this angle 22.5 degrees, and this side AB is the adjacent. And now we know our opposite side is 1 unit. So therefore now our task is to calculate the value of this adjacent. And now since we are dealing with this 22.5 degrees, and we know 22.5 degrees times 2 is going to give us 45 degrees. So therefore we are going to think outside the box, and we are going to create this triangle BCD, such that this side BC length is going to be equal to this segment BD length. So therefore this side BD length has got to be 1 unit, since this BC length is 1. So therefore we can see that this right triangle BCD is our isosceles triangle as well, since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore we conclude that this angle has got to be 45 degrees, and this angle is going to be 45 degrees as well. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCD once again. And now we are going to calculate this hypotenuse CD length. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. In our case, our hypotenuse is CD, whereas our two other legs are 1 and 1. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 1 square plus 1 square equal to CD square. And now I'm going to take the square root on both sides. And so therefore our CD length is going to be equal to the square root of 2. So therefore our CD length turns out to be square root of 2. And now let's recall the exterior angle theorem. According to this theorem, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, as you can see in this given diagram. Here we got C as our exterior angle, and that's going to be equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles A and B. In other words, angle C equals to A plus B. And here in our case, this angle is going to be our exterior angle, and that's going to be equal to the sum of these two opposite interior angles. So therefore we conclude that this angle has got to be 22.5 degrees, such that 22.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees is indeed equal to 45 degrees. And now we are going to focus on this triangle ACD. And we can see that this triangle ACD is our isosceles triangle, since this angle is 22.5 degrees, and likewise this angle is 22.5 degrees. So therefore we conclude that this segment AD length has got to be equal to this side CD length. And we know this side length is square root of 2. So therefore AD length has got to be square root of 2 as well. So thus this whole side AB length has got to be equal to these two individual lengths, square root of 2 and 1. So therefore AB length has got to be square root of 2 plus 1. So thus our adjacent side length turns out to be square root of 2 plus 1, whereas the opposite side length is 1. And now we can easily calculate the value of cotangent of 22.5 degrees. And we know cotangent of theta equals to adjacent divided by the opposite. So therefore the cotangent of 22.5 degrees is going to be equal to our adjacent is square root of 2 plus 1. So I'm going to write down square root of 2 plus 1 divided by the opposite side is 1. So I'm going to write down 1 underneath. So therefore we can write this one as simply square root of 2 plus 1. So thus our cotangent of 22.5 degrees value turns out to be square root of 2 plus 1. And now we are going to calculate the value of tangent of 22.5 degrees. And now let's recall tangent of theta equals to opposite divided by the adjacent. So therefore tangent of 22.5 degrees is going to be equal to our opposite side is 1 divided by the adjacent is square root of 2 plus 1. And now we are going to rationalize this denominator by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate square root of 2 minus 1 and divided by square root of 2 minus 1 as well. And now we are going to multiply these numerators and we are going to multiply out these denominators as well. So therefore we can write this one as square root of 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2 plus 1 times square root of 2 minus 1. Now let's recall this famous identity, a plus b times a minus b equals to a square minus b square. And we are going to apply this identity on this denominator. So therefore this part could be written as square root of 2 whole square minus 1 square. And that's going to give us 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So therefore this whole denominator value simply turns out to be equal to 1. So therefore we can write this thing as square root of 2 minus 1 divided by 1, and that means this is going to be equal to square root of 2 minus 1. So thus the value of tangent of 22.5 degrees turns out to be square root of 2 minus 1. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the value of tangent of 22.5 degrees turns out to be square root of 2 minus 1. Likewise, the value of cotangent of 22.5 degrees turns out to be square root of 2 plus 1. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.